Welcome to your money makeover. Today we're uncovering 5 financial traps that might be holding your wealth back and how you can avoid them. Whether you're just starting out or already deep in the game, these tips could transform your financial future. Stick around for an exclusive bonus tip at the end. Trap number 1 is not keeping a budget. Without tracking where every dollar goes, it's easy to lose control of your finances. Whether you prefer a classic ledger or a modern budgeting app, having a clear view of your income and expenses helps you identify savings opportunities and avoid unnecessary spending. Every penny counts, and a solid plan puts you one step closer to your financial goals. Next up, impulse buying. In the heat of the moment, flashy deals and persuasive ads can lead to unnecessary purchases. These impulse buys add up quickly and can seriously dent your budget. Here's a tip. Impose a 24-hour waiting period before buying. This simple pause often reveals that what caught your eye isn't really a must-have. Trap number 3 is avoiding investments. While saving money is important, letting it sit idle can actually erode its value over time due to inflation. Investing in options like ETFs, stocks, or even real estate allows your money to work for you. By diversifying your investments, you not only protect your wealth, but also build it steadily over time. Start exploring investment strategies today. Your future self will thank you. The 4th trap is ignoring debt. Unpaid bills and high-interest loans can quickly become overwhelming. It's crucial not to bury your head in the sand. Instead, tackle debts head-on by prioritizing those with the highest interest rates. Gradually eliminating debt frees you from its grip and paves the way for greater financial independence. Finally, trap number 5. Relying solely on one income source. Living on a single paycheck can be risky, especially during economic downturns or unexpected job losses. Developing additional income streams, whether through freelance work, an online business, or other side ventures, can offer you financial security and new opportunities. Diversify your income and build a resilient financial foundation. And here's your bonus tip. Invest in your financial education. Many money mistakes stem from a lack of understanding. Learn the fundamentals of budgeting, investing, and debt management through books, podcasts, or online courses. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Empower yourself with financial knowledge and unlock the door to lasting wealth. If you found these tips useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money makeover insights. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.